Howdy folks, how we doing? Alright, so today I've got myself a bit of a trouble over here. I've got this crack in the windshield, this chip, and it happened last week as I was driving in the night, and this piece of gravel or stone came flying from the rear tire of this Innova and hit my windshield right over here. So I'm gonna try to repair it. Got myself this Chinese repair kit. I'm not even sure it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. We'll test it. Actually, I'm not gonna replace the entire windshield just because of this teeny tiny chip. So actually, it's not about the size, it's about the location. This chip is actually, it's right in front of driver's eyes. Let me get inside and show you. You can see it's kind of annoying, especially driving in the night. It kind of scatters the light from oncoming vehicles, so I'm gonna try to fix it. You can see if it was anywhere else on the windshield, it wouldn't have bothered me, but it's right in front of driver's eyes. You can see over here. Let me just get the camera and you can see. So we'll see whether this Chinese repair kit works or not. So step number one, make sure you have a nice sunny day, because the last step of this procedure requires a direct sunlight. So make sure you choose a nice sunny day. So we're gonna unpack this kit and we're gonna start repair. We'll see whether it works or not. Okay, so first thing first, you're gonna clean the spot real nice. Make sure there aren't any contamination over here on the surface. And step number two, you're gonna take this razor blade that came with the kit, and you're gonna scrape off any loose glass. I don't have any in my case. Scrape off any glasses at 45-degree angle. Alright, so wipe it off. So next step, you're gonna take this assembly and you're gonna align it right in the center. So I'm gonna just do it. Alright, so it's fixed. And step number two, we're gonna disassemble this and insert it right inside the center. So don't tighten it too much or the suction cup's gonna pop off. Right over here is good. So make sure it's in the center. I'm gonna get inside and check it. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's right in the center, so we're good to go. Alright, so next step, they say pour this solution from I don't know, 3 to 6 drops, so depending upon the level of damage. So I think mine is quite big, so I'm gonna go for 6 drops. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. And then you're gonna tighten up this impact real nice. And we're gonna leave it for like 7 minutes. It says 7 minutes, and make sure the resin isn't leaking from anywhere beneath it. So if there's any leakage, you tighten up the entire assembly a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna get inside and see whether there's a leakage or not. So I think we're good to go. You can see. So we're gonna let it sit for like 7 minutes and we'll see whether it works or not. Okay, so it's been over 7 minutes and we're gonna remove just the upper portion, not the entire, just to release any air inside. And we're gonna put it back for another 7 minutes. Okay, we're gonna leave it now for 7 minutes again. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes again, so we're gonna remove this entire assembly now. Let's see, we're gonna remove this first. Now we can start Taking these suction cups off. Damn, it's got hard grip. Alright, so holy crap, it's actually working. I'm not gonna lie to you. So now the next step is pour a little bit resin all over the place, just 2-3 drops. Come on out. And spread it all over the damaged area. Crack going down, so I'm gonna spread it over here as well. And for the final step, we're gonna use one of these plastic films they gave us, and we're gonna just apply it over it. Apply no pressure at all, and let the resin spread. Remember not to apply any pressure, just let it spread. We'll see if it works or not. Okay, so we're gonna leave this for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna move the car to sunlight, and we'll see the result. It actually says, the manual says to leave the car in sunlight for over 15 minutes. So we'll see if that works or not. Okay, so with the strip in place, we're gonna move the car to direct sunlight. I'm just gonna back it up a little bit. There's a little bit of sunlight. Okay, so we're in the sunlight, and we'll see. Turn off the car, and we're gonna leave it in the sunlight for over 10 minutes. You can see. Damn, it's a sunny day. So I'm gonna just leave it here for 10 minutes, let this resin harden up, and then we're gonna release this strip and we'll check it again after 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna remove this piece of resin and make sure it has hardened. If it's still wet, then you might want to reapply it again. And I'm gonna scrape off the resin. Okay, so for as of now, it hasn't completely removed the chip, but the damage has been reduced. It has narrowed down the damage, so I'm gonna reapply the resin again. And apply it again. And we're gonna leave it for another 10 minutes and we'll see the results. Alright, so it's been more than half an hour, and here's the result. I'm gonna just use a razor blade to scrape off this resin. Let me focus on it. Okay, so I'm gonna scrape it off a little bit more. Alright, so for the final step, I'm just gonna wipe it off. if there are any. Okay, so here's what it is. Here's the final result, and you can see, let me just focus on it. Okay, so that's the extent of the repair I was able to do, because I don't think it's possible any further, because I got too late, and there's a little bit of material that has disappeared from this angle. So but still there's quite a difference. I think it's drivable now. You can see it's practically, you can't even see it from this angle. All right, so this is the final shot. I think it has been, I'm really up close, and I think this was before and this is after, and I think it's quite a difference now, because there's some material that has disappeared. So I don't think I'm gonna need melted glass to fill it up, but I think this was my mistake. I waited too long to repair this. So if you have some damage like this, make sure to get it repaired immediately, because as the time flew by, I think some of the material it disappeared. So I don't think it's repairable any further, but still it's a good result. So I think it's drivable for now. Let me just get inside and we'll see. Yeah, I think we're good, better than before. I'm just gonna, there's something on the inside, I'm gonna clean it up as well. So well, another reason might be this is a Chinese kit. So the people on this forum recommended a RainX kit, so I'm gonna try that as well, but for now this is what it is. And so let me know in the comment section below if you're using any other product, so I might well as use it. So the ultimate solution would be to replace the entire windshield, so I'm gonna get it done as well. So thank you for watching this video, folks.